Yeah, I know. She was so surprised.
Really?
Oh, for sure. I mean, it wasn't very big, just a little bug, but Flower went crazy.
OMG, Flower is really afraid of bugs.
Well, yeah. Flower thinks she's so fabulous. Like the time she asked Icy if she was beautiful.
Ice Cube, don't you think I look beautiful?
Oh, no. Oh, I remember that. I am so gonna get revenge on her. I cannot believe how she thinks we will be her servants. I'm so glad you guys are my friends though, really. Bubble likes me too, right, Bubble?
Yeah? No! Ice Cube, stop!
Hello, hello, hello. Don't be nervous. You have.
Guess what, Ben? You've won a win token.
What is a win token?
As you remember, you were the only one to wreck the ribbon. That means you did better than the rest of the contestants, so you win a win token. If you are about to get eliminated, you can use your win token to avoid half of your votes. And here's your win token. Now it's time for Cake at Stake.
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. And the cool thing about these guys is that they have really long trunks, and that's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say.